My clients love what I produce, and my friends and family adore the personal projects I've created for them using FlexClip. Client videos have yielded not only client and client customer wow factor, but an influx of new customers for those clients. Following the appearance of FlexClip, I found that sufficient AI tools and convenient video editing tools can offer great assistance in teaching. I highly recommend FlexClip because it is simple and easy to use. Students can quickly get started. The AI tools it provides are also quite sufficient. Given the flexibility of FlexClip, it's helped me create these videos fast and look professional. I can definitely say that using FlexClip has allowed me to create many types of videos that have helped engage on social media like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. In my new role as owner of Mayflower Media making book trailers for authors, I was blown away by the simple learning curve of FlexClip. Additionally, instead of searching online for royalty-free images, video, and music, excellent media is available within FlexClip, making it truly a one-stop shop for creators. FlexClip is a powerful, yet easy-to-use online video editing tool. With its extensive templates and resources, you can easily create high-quality videos. As a professional video production company and self-media worker, I strongly recommend FlexClip to you. It will be your best partner in the era of AI where video content is king. I found FlexClip easy to use and very user-friendly as someone with a lot of video editing experience. I have no doubt that less experienced creators would benefit from the abundance of assets available, and the various templates serve as great inspiration for those looking for ideas of how to format their projects. FlexClip is a very simple yet capable online video maker. Its editing capabilities, although basic, are extremely well implemented, and will satisfy anyone looking to make a short video project look good, without spending too much time on it, or having much, if any, filmmaking experience. As a portrait studio owner and a novice at video editing, I highly recommend FlexClip. I found this tool incredibly easy to use, and the beautiful templates make creating stunning videos a breeze. It's a great tool to use for enhancing our clients' experiences and adding an extra touch of creativity to our marketing efforts. I am absolutely blown away by FlexClip. This video creation platform is an absolute game changer. I was able to make a professional-looking video in minutes, without any prior experience. The interface is super easy to use, and the editing tools are top-notch. Highly recommend to anyone looking to make videos quickly and easily. I experienced various video editing apps on my YouTube. FlexClip is the most easy-to-use video editing solution for beginners. Predominantly FlexClip AI tools are groundbreaking, and one of my favorites is AI text-to-video. FlexClip caters to different prospective persons and their preferences, from beginners to professionals.